What a wonderful day in the Rick Zone. Oh yeah, Rick. All right, we're in the Rick Zone. Today we are, we're in the house, and oh wait, I think we got some intruders. Let's go see. You! What are you doing in my house?
It's me. Yo, Mr. White, tell him, yo.
My name is Water.
You
How
know.
about like that? And you want some?
I would
We're selling
love
the
some.
best
It was
product
like
Is it pink?
No, yo, it's blue. It's the best shit you've ever seen, yo. 94% purity, yo. It's like an art form, yo, mister. So you better buy some, yo. $7,000 a pop.
I don't have that money.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you're gonna get it, yo. You're not getting the crystal, yo.
I don't want crystal meth. I want crumble cookie. No, don't touch my mods.
No,
Stop.
no, here, have this.
Just hey, can I speak with?
Yo, Mr.
I
White.
don't think this is a good idea.
Alright.
Jesse, I don't think he's gonna buy it.
Alright, man.
Why did he punch me?
You want?
Yo,
Just treat it with a crystal, yo.
No, not even. No. Okay, you can have a cheeseburger, but like you can't touch anything else.
yo, if you want some crystal, yo, have this cheeseburger. Thanks for the $7,000, yo. Here's your crystal, yo.
That's my whole house. Get back here, you little bitch! Oh,
Retard.
I don't know who the fuck this person is.
Retard. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You can have some pizza?
I know a guy.
So good, man, get the fuck out! I don't. You ain't a lawyer.
Hi,
You're just a
fuck everything.
scammer.
You know this retard here out of your house? Don't believe me. I know a guy who knows a guy who can get weed out of your house. Watch, this is how we get weed out of your house.
Evil.
Hey, man. Hey, we don't. Oh, I can't look.
Don't worry, I know how to get
Is that
retard.
retard
Hey,
threat?
follow retard. Hey, retard, you want to see?
Yeah, go follow him. Let's see.
Hey, don't know if there's mashed potatoes on the spool there.
Okay.
Look behind you. Hey, pal.
Listen up.
Stand back.
You never
You pushed. I could have
Epically-
gave their pizza.
epically smashes, epically
What
moves
the
in
heck?
your hand because he's so.
Why would you do that? What? Wow.
Epic.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Speak.
Hold on.
I'll get a
This
guy
is kinda gay.
who knows a guy. I know a guy who will get a guy who will move your dick and balls, man.
What?
Yeah,
Hey,
I thought you had a retard infestation.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll get the retard out.
You're wearing fucking SpongeBob SquarePants. Ah.
I'll get the retard.
All right.
Both of you! Out of my house before I shoot you!
You're on ground.
Oh.
You're dead.
No,
You're
he's
dead.
listening.
You're a dead running corpse.
Well, hold on, let me die real quick.
Oh.
I'm leaving.
Ew.
Don't
Hey,
touch me.
thank you. Hey, you. Thank you.
Move, retard. Move, retard.
Just look at the barrel. You're dead.
I don't know what the fuck that was, but that was something. Now I think we got some more visitors. No, we don't. We just gotta wait it out. But wait a minute. I'm at 120 FOV.
Hi, hey, so I'm the newspaper man. Here's your daily
Oh
dose
my
of the
God,
news.
move! Rick! Oh my God! It's Rick! Rick, come on, give me a hug! Oh my God!
How dare you shoot me?
Okay, everybody, we can have a civil conversation if we play a nice game of Monopoly.
What the hell?
That was not supposed to happen.
I don't have an idea.
Get them! No, not Tickle Pickle! Okay.
What?
Yeah, get out of here, Pickle Rick! It was an odd adventure. But we try to find a way to destroy adventure. Ah, let's do it, Rick.
Ow, that's hot! Ow, that's hot! Ow!
What if that retard's gonna come again? I cooked the food for Rick. I cooked the food.
Just don't
Get off me!
Yeah, nice.
Wait a minute. Hey, everybody, we can have a fun time on this one. Yeah,
Hold on, what the fuck?
I'm flying, Rick.
You're next.
Don't touch me! Ow!
More.
Look up. Look right there. We're on live TV. Welcome. And I mean welcome to the cool show. What the hell? Oh my god! It's Rick!
Dale, the walk is Dale.
You can't get back! Okay.
Back here, the walk.
Yeah, you get him, Rick!
Daryl.
We were here till the start! Oh, yeah! Jay, shut the fuck up!